What's up everyone, I'm Grace. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing well today. In today's video I'm gonna show you how I transformed this my t-shirt into something looking good, something cute. If you wanna see how I did it, let's continue watching. So I ended up marking, hope you guys can see, so that it can be more easier for me to cut. So guys, I'm done with marking. Now I'm gonna go ahead and cut. Hope you guys can see. When you are cutting, guys, make sure you are very careful. So guys, I have another videos of me transforming other clothes into something else. If you wanna check them, visit my channel and watch them. Don't forget to like and subscribe, share guys, and let's do this. We are almost done. And let me tell you, oh, this one came out so good. Let's style it a little bit. So you see, it's so cute. This is the after. Hey, look at this, it's so cute. Hope you have learned something from this video. Let me know, will you try something like this, and we'll meet in the next video. Bye.